Cricut Joy makes it easy to personalize. You can make everything from greeting cards, to stickers for mobile phone cases, to organizational labels for the kitchen. In this video, we'll show you a way to create DIY cutting and drawing projects even faster and easier. Introducing the Cricut Joy app for iPhone, for those who want a radically simplified making experience. With a guided design experience and simple controls, it's easy to make popular DIY projects. I'll take you through the process of making a greeting card to show you how the app works. From here, we'll simply follow the green prompts to choose a project, design, cut, and assemble. I'll browse for available cards, but you can see you can search by theme at the top of the screen as well. I'll choose the You and Me card, and then scroll down to see what supplies I'll need for my project. Now let's move into the guided design experience. You can see the app is giving me a chance to see what my colors will look like here. And as I move through using the green button prompts, it's telling me how to do things like prep and load my card mat, how to insert the blade into my Cricut Joy, and finally, after the cut, how to assemble my card thanks to easy to follow instruction. Visit the official Cricut YouTube channel to learn more about the Cricut Joy app for iPhone or the Design Space app for iPhone, Android, and desktop.